Welcome everybody to this session about regulatory operations, electronic submission, service portfolio. This is Daniel speaking, Associate Director of the department. At Asphalion, we can help you from an end-to-end perspective with a branch of services, from drug discovery to lifecycle management, medical, CMC writing, pharmacovigilance, medical device support, and also regulatory operations. Regulatory operations at Asphalion is understood in two parts, the data management and the electronic submission work stream that we will cover today. We offer a branch of services, publishing and submission in any region and format, software implementation, especially as partners of Extido on their tools, technical trainings, regulatory consulting and intelligence, and with the documentation part, formatting, templates creation, and so on. We are a team of more than 10 professionals delivering every year more than 2,000 eCTD sequences, handling a broad portfolio of more than 1,500 dossiers and working overseas, especially on Europe, US, Canada, GCC, Switzerland, among other regions. All these services can be fully outsourced or partially, can be done with our tools in our premises or the opposite, with Asphalion employees into your own company, physically or remotely. The main advantages that we are observing with the clients that relies on Asphalion are in terms of efficiency, freezing up internal resources and cost, but streamline the process with clear procedures, styles, and ways of working. And in terms of flexibility, offering hypercare support, addressing tight timelines. Going into detail about consulting and intelligence, we can provide you general open consulting support about any specific topic, questions related to filing strategy, documentation requirements, direct interaction with health authorities, creating work instruction or manuals for a specific workflow or procedure. In terms of regulatory intelligence, you can ask Asphalion about the newsletter for regulatory operations that can be customized to a specific region, procedure, or topic that you might have of interest. You can count with us for delivering publishing submission-ready documents quickly with our expertise, creating PDF, Word files, ACH, or regional compliant, or creating other file formats like FDA structured product labeling services for prescribing information, drug listing, G2 self-ID, creating also for FDA structured data files, or also creating Module 4 non-clinical and Module 5 clinical data sets for also regions like FDA or Canada. We can also help you creating dossier templates and submission content plans, and also establishing data governance for metadata or other control vocabularies. Finally, in terms of documentation readiness, we can also help you with the project management associated with the product information linguistic review, for centralized procedures for either initial or post-authorization lifecycle management variations, or like line extensions, applying the classical documents formatting in those documents, creating the package submission itself, and also with the language translation, counting with our network of partners. Publishing and submission is the main service of the department. As you saw from our annual figures, we provide a comprehensive service on eCTD, compiling, publishing, validating, and quality checking on eCTD, and also in any format and in any region. Our most demanding service is obviously eCTD, because it's becoming more and more wide globally, but also we also provide support in other formats like NIS for those regions that they are transitioning, or also for veterinary NIS or AC and ACTD for the Asia Pacific region. We can handle as well the documents related with your clinical trials, making them ECTD or CTIS submission ready files, and obviously with the gateway delivery through the different portals, including the portals account management, data governance, roles matrixing, and so on. For ECTD 4.0, we wanted to mention that Asphalion is ready to provide you support, either publishing on this new standard or providing you customized training, participating with you in health authority pilots. For instance, we are participating in the European pilot together with our software vendor and one of our clients. We can also help you establishing the data governance. We can help you with the different implementation timelines. We can help you ensuring that your software is up to date and compliance, and also updating your processes, issuing new SOPs, work instructions, or manuals. About software implementation, together with our IT department, we can support you keeping updated your regulatory system and tools. We can provide you and help you with new installations, upgrades, database migration from on-premise to cloud. We can also offer computer system validation with the classical validation documentation associated with that, validation plan, report, and the different IQ, OP, and PQ phases. And also, we provide customer support and technical issues and troubleshooting resolution. Going beyond software implementation, Asphalion has a solid partnership with Estido and other tool vendors, software vendor providers, but especially with Estido of more than 10 years using their tools internally for our daily work, and also providing customer support and troubleshooting for their tools on their behalf. But with these slides, we are going to present you a step forward in our collaboration, offering to our clients a joint system infrastructure that we call the multi-tenant model. The multi-tenant model provides the capability to work bidirectionally on a given program. For instance, on this slide, you are seeing the document management hub, the eDocs Manager solution. With this model, both parties, clients and Asphalion as CRO, can work on DMS, for instance, feeding documents, formatting them, versioning them, and those changes are stored in the same on-cloud database and can be seen automatically at both sides, client level at Asphalion CRO level. Moreover, with this multi-tenant model, Asphalion will be able to provide to their clients the possibility to have visualization access to client dossiers using eSub-Manager. eSub-Manager is more than ECTD viewer, where you can also review and comment your dossiers, your published dossiers. Also, you are able to see your archive submissions, and also you are able to see the operation life cycle applied in the documents within the sequences. Finally, as consultants, we offer a lot of trainings to our clients in many different aspects. They are provided by experts on the field, issuing an official certificate at the end, together with the material presented, with the possibility to have access to a training server if the training is related to a specific software. Thank you very much for your attention and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.